This is a GFCI Outlet tester, model number NF821. Here's the actual company. It is in China. Name of the company, I can't even pronounce that. And look in the corner here, it's got version 3. Looks like there was, at one time they would include the batteries. 2 AA battery would fit in that space there, but bought it off Amazon for about $35 Canadian. And easy to take apart here, just pull it apart. It's not... There's a qualification certification, and here's the unit itself here. Fairly, I would say bulky. It's a little bulky, but we'll check it out here. This will just plug it in, will not work. You need 2 AAA batteries to show the LCD display. And on the back is a screw here, number 1 Phillips screw here. We'll take that apart and put the batteries in. Two buttons there, GFCI, that's the test your ground fault circuit interrupter, how quickly it turns off, and your power button. Hit the power button, you'll have to hold it for a few seconds to turn it on. Shows you all the different defaults here, and it shows you an open hot because it's not plugged in here. It does have a battery indicator for your batteries, AAA batteries, and this is the voltage indicator. So now if you want to quickly, when you plug it in and want to see what the results are, you just tap this button and it'll go into the hold mode here, hold up here, and shut that back off. Same with the GFCI, if you check that out, and that'll trip your breaker, see how quickly it takes to trip it. And this display will stay on until you shut it off by hitting the power button. This NF821 GFCI outlet test is going to check 6 different things. Number 1 is going to be wired correctly. Number 2, hot neutral reversed. Number 3, hot ground reversed. I'm not doing that one. Open ground, open hot, open neutral.
This NF821 outlet tester has a very unique feature. Shows the screen, shows it's correctly wired, shows correct here, shows the voltage. Also shows 3 different symbols here. L is for live, N is for neutral, E is for earth or ground. So all 3 symbols are lit up, they're all working. So if you hit the hold button before you plug it in, it remembers what this is. So you hit the hold button here, it's on hold. You plug it in, it's not going to read it because it's holding that last number, which is the default, and open hot. It's not going to read it. So power it back on. There it reads it now. So you got open ground. It shows open ground here. Then you hit the hold button. And then it'll remember that. Now it shows 110 and open ground. The outlet tester shows open ground, red light. Also shows L for live, that's lit up, and for neutral is lit up, and E for earth or ground is not lit up, so there's no ground connected to this outlet.
This is just a prop. You wouldn't wire your wiring like this, just a demonstration. So this is cap tire, just a prop. So I'm going to show you, it's going to come up on the outlet tester here. It's going to show you hot, neutral, reversed. And what that's going to pick up is, instead of having your neutral wire going on the silver side, you got it on the gold side, and you got your hot wire going on the silver side. So that's going to pick it up, and it's going to give you hot, neutral, reverse on that outlet tester here. So put it together, and we'll test it out. This scenario connected the live wire to the silver terminal, neutral wire to the gold terminal, and we're going to have a hot, neutral, reverse. Plug it in here, and here we go here. Hot, neutral, reverse. All the wires connected, the ground's connected, the live wire and the neutral wire, but they show an arrow between them saying that you have to switch these to hot, neutral, reverse there. Turn the light off and see it. There's your red light here. So this is going to be the open hot. So we're not going to connect the black wire, the live wire, to the gold terminal. It's going to connect to a lever connector here, so it's not connected to the outlet. And then the neutral wire is connected and the ground wire is connected. So this is going to be open hot air on the outlet tester. So let's put it together and try it. So in this scenario, we have what they call the open hot. So the hot wire is not connected to the gold screw. The neutral wire is connected as well as the ground wire is connected. So plug the outlet in, tester in, and you can see it's got what they call open hot. And there's no wires showing anywhere. And there's no voltage here, so it doesn't show any 110 here. And shut the light off, see if you see it any better or not. Here you go. And the red light's on, of course. So in this one, I'm going to have the neutral not connected to the silver wire, and the ground wire is connected, and the live wire is connected. So you're going to get on the outlet tester, open, neutral. So put it together and try it out. The live wire connected to the gold screw, but the neutral wire is not connected at all. The ground wire is connected. Plug it in, and you're going to get what they call open neutral here. Open neutral, so it shows that the live wire is there and the ground wire, but there's no wire showing on the neutral here. And just turn the light off to see if you can see any better here. Of course, red light is on as well. Let's check this GFCI plug here. And it's only on the outlet. It doesn't shut the light off. So plug it in, and it's wired correctly here. You can see the green light here on the end here. It's wired correctly. It says correctly wired. Let's check the GFCI, how long it takes to shut it off. 0.23 there. And reset it. Now it doesn't show the voltage. You have to shut it back off again. Now it's reset. It'll show 110. Now let's shut the light off and see how much it's going to show in the dark. You can still read it. Shut the door. Completely dark here. Still reads it very nice. This company makes some nice outlet tester. This is an NF821. The only thing is, it doesn't come with the 2 AAA batteries, which is needed to run this unit. You can't just plug it in. You need 2 AAA batteries to run this unit. It has 2 buttons here: ground fault circuit, check your ground fault circuit interrupters, and the power button, turn it on and turn it off here. Has a battery indicator of your batteries inside the unit here. Has this live, neutral, and E for earth or ground. Tells you how it's wired properly or not. Very nice feature. Has this shows you your voltage, but I don't think it shows you the actual voltage of it. So let's see. I'll turn this light off here, and we'll turn the main light off and see how bright it is without the light on here. Very bright here, and I see it's wired correctly here. So please subscribe to my channel, and it helps grow my channel. Ring that bell and share my video. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. Have a great one, people.